Welcome to another edition of Math Fun Movies. In this edition, we are going to evaluate this double limit as this xy goes to 0, 0. What is the value to which x square divided by x square plus y square tend to? So, just to refresh, what is the meaning of a double limit? Say xy goes to AB, f of xy is equal to L. So we say that a function fxy tend to the limit L as the ordered pair xy approaches the ordered pair AB if the value of fxy becomes close to L as this ordered pair xy becomes close to the point AB, except perhaps at the point AB. So, at the point AB, we have a relaxation that the value of fxy may be different from L and it may not even be defined. But at all other points near AB, the value of fxy should be close to L. That's the intuition behind the idea of a double limit. Now, if a double limit exists, then no matter what path you follow to reach the point AB, the limit should be equal to L. That's a very interesting property. So suppose we are trying to find out a limit of a function at the point 0, 0. Now no matter what path we take to reach the point 0, 0, as xy becomes close to 0, 0, the value of fxy should be close to L, and that should not depend on the path. That's a very important result that we need to know. So no matter whether we are following path 1, which is this straight line, or following path 2, which is this parabola, or following this more complicated path 1, 3, no matter which path we follow, whenever the value of xy is close to 0, 0, the value of fxy should be close to f. That should happen if the double limit exists. If it happens that following two different paths, we get two different limits, then the double limit does not exist. So one way of showing that a double limit does not exist is to choose two paths and find that the limit following path 1 and the limit following path 2 are different. Now let's examine the given problem. Let us first think that we are approaching 0, 0 along the x-axis. Yeah, so y is made 0 here, and so along the x-axis we are approaching 0, 0. Now in that case we have y is equal to 0, so this is x square by x square and the limit is 1. So along the x-axis if we follow, then we get the limit of x0 going to 0, 0, x square divided by x square plus y square is equal to 1. So this is the limit along the x-axis. Now suppose we approach it along the y-axis. So we are looking at limit 0 comma y going to 0, 0, and it turns out that the limit along the y-axis is equal to 0. We can also find the limit along the path where y is equal to x. So if we do that, we get the limit to be half. So we see that following different paths, we get different limits. So along x-axis we get 1, along y-axis we get 0, and along the line y is equal to x we get equal to half. So this clearly tells us from our previous discussion that limit xy going to 0, 0, x square by x square plus y square does not. Thank you.